The Galaxy Watch 6 series, which includes the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic versions, was announced during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event. The Watch 5 Pro and Watch 6 Classic pricing difference is not substantial. The 43mm Watch 6 Classic costs $400, while the 47mm version costs $430. The Classic model is accessible at ordinary stores, whereas LT variants are available via your favorite carrier. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has a luxury style similar to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, but with better functions. It has a titanium casing and sapphire crystal display cover, delivering a luxurious feel and a lower weight than the stainless steel case of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic features a new processor, the Exynos W930, whereas the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has the W920. But the Watch 6 Classic has 2GB of RAM compared to 1.5GB in the Watch 5 Pro, making it theoretically significantly quicker and more powerful. However, annual CPU updates often result in little speed improvements that may not be evident in the final user experience, so don't anticipate substantial advantages. In terms of software, the Watch 6 Classic ships with the most recent Wear OS 4 base One UI 5 watch software, but the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will get an upgrade to the new software shortly. Samsung has committed to offering 4 years of significant software upgrades, which means that the Watch 6 Classic will be supported until 2027, while the Watch 5 Pro will be supported until 2026. Both watches can monitor different workouts. However, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro offers more outside functions such as GPS mapping for cycling and trekking rather than running. For those concerned about smartwatch battery life, the Watch 5 Pro offers the largest capacity ever in a Galaxy Watch, with 590 mAh lasting about 2 days, with continuous wear falling short of the rated 80-hour life. However, the Watch 5 Pro is more advanced in this regard than the Watch 6 Classic, making it the preferred Galaxy Watch for adventurous individuals. The Watch 6 Classic, on the other hand, has a 300 mAh battery for the 43mm version and a 425 mAh battery for the 47mm variant, certified for a maximum of 40 hours with the always-on display turned off or 30 hours with it turned on. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.